The 2001 Porsche Boxster convertible top transmission. We think it has a broken gear.
You take pictures before you take anything apart, so you know how it goes back together.
Now we will remove the cover by removing these 7 screws. 6-point T25 stand tip.
You can stop it now. Okay, stop.
Now remove the electrical switch. Now remove the gear body. Now you see the broken gear. This is the new gear. The correct positioning of the gears. Make sure area is clean of broken gear pieces.
Very good.
Flat spot in the gears have to line up.
Put the electrical connector in the cover plate.
Read it.
Now install the cover plate.
Is it still recording?
Make sure all 4 pins are lined up. This pin, this pin, this pin, and that pin. Now install the 7 screws, but not too tight because it's going in plastic and it will break. That is how you change a gear in a 2001 Porsche Boxster convertible top transmission.